हेलो एवरीवन। आप सभी का मेरे वीडियो योर लैब इन वर्चुअल लैब में स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसे वर्चुअल लैब एक्सेस करते हैं व कैसे अपनी लैब को वर्चुअल लैब में सर्च करते हैं। सबसे पहले वर्चुअल लैब ओपन करने के लिए URL vlab.co.in ओपन करना है। इसके बाद वर्चुअल लैब में अपने रेस्पेक्टिव डिपार्टमेंट को ओपन करें। मैं वन बाय वन सभी डिपार्टमेंट्स की लैब के बारे में बताऊंगा। सबसे पहले शुरू करते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन डिपार्टमेंट्स। सो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन डिपार्टमेंट पे क्लिक करें। इस डिपार्टमेंट में जितनी वर्चुअल लैब्स हैं उनको मैं वन बाय वन बताता हूँ। लैब्स रेडी फॉर यूज़। सबसे पहले फीडिंग चैनल्स एंड मोबाइल कम्युनिकेशन, देन एडवांस नेटवर्क टेक्नोलॉजिकल, देन एनालॉग सिग्नल नेटवर्क एंड मेजरमेंट, देन डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लैब, देन डिजिटल लॉजिक डिज़ाइन लैब, देन क्यूइंग नेटवर्क मॉडलिंग, then hybrid electronics, next RF and microwave characterizations, digital electronic circuits, digital signal processing, basic electronics, signal and systems and electric circuits। ये सारी लैब्स अवेलेबल हैं वर्चुअल लैब प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर। कुछ लैब्स हैं जो अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन अंडर मेंटेनेंस हैं, जैसे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स डिवाइस सर्किट, सैटेलाइट मॉडलिंग एंड सिमुलेशंस, एनालॉग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशंस, डिजिटल VLSI डिजाइन लैब। तो जो अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन लैब हैं वो अभी यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, बाकी सारी लैब्स हैं वो रेडी फॉर यूज़ हैं। वी कैन यूज़ दीज ऑल लैब ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन डिपार्टमेंट। Next, computer science and engineering department. Labs ready for use. Basics of HTML, soft computing tools in engineering, then problem solving, data structure 1, data structure 2, artificial neural network, pattern recognition, VLSI, computer architecture and organization, software engineering, data structures, computer programming, computer organization, speech signal processing, computer graphics, image processing, computational linguistics, natural language processing, wireless sensor network, and last one, cryptography. These labs are ready for use in computer science and engineering departments. So we can do our practicals in these lab by the help of virtual lab. Next department is electrical engineering. So in electrical engineering, labs are virtual laboratory for simulations and gaming, virtual high voltage lab, electric machines lab, sensor modeling and simulation, virtual power, industrial automations, electric mechanics, PLC lab, single board heater system, real time embedded systems, electric machines, creative design, prototyping, experimental simulations, ergonomics lab for accessing physical aspect of design lab. These are the lab of electric departments. We can perform our practical with the help of virtual lab. Next, mechanical engineering. In this mechanical department, these are the labs ready for use: material responses to microstructural mechanics, thermal and biological labs, technological CAD laboratory, virtual laboratory on multi-phase flow, virtual lab on mine ventilation, mechanism and robotics lab, remote triggered virtual lab on automotive systems, plant metabolic pathway virtual lab, rotating fault simulation lab, mechanical system and signal processing, model based fault detection lab, dynamics of machines lab, metal forming virtual simulation, mechanics of machines, machine dynamic and vibration lab, vibration and acoustics lab, micro machining lab, FAB lab, general purpose production shop simulation lab. Next is chemical engineering. In chemical engineering, the labs ready for use are chemical process dynamic, process control, reaction engineering and unit operations, chemical engineering, and last one, virtual mass transfer lab. We can perform our practical in chemical engineering in these labs. Next is biotechnology and biomedical engineering. Labs are bioreactor modeling and simulations, bioinformatic virtual lab 1, virtual lab 2, virtual lab 3, then system biology virtual lab, computer aided drug design lab, then ecology virtual lab, biological image processing, biophysics, biomedical and signal processing, virtual proteomics lab, biomedical instrumentation lab, medical signal and image processing, neuropsychology lab, then neuron simulation lab, biochemistry virtual lab, population ecology 1, population ecology 2, immunology virtual lab 1, immunology virtual lab 2, microbiology 1, 2, molecular biology virtual lab 1, molecular biology virtual lab 2, then cell biology 1 and cell biology 2. These 1 and 2 are basically on the separations of practicals. So these are the labs available in biotechnology and biomedical engineering. Next is civil engineering. In civil engineering, labs ready for use are structural dynamic lab, hydraulic and fluid mechanics lab, basic engineering, mechanics and strength of material lab, soil mechanics lab, basic structural analysis lab, fluid mechanics, transportation engineering, environmental engineering 2, fluid mechanics, marine structure, mining, geology, virtual smart structural and dynamic, strength of material and surveying lab. These are the lab of civil engineering available in virtual lab. Next one is physical science. In physical science, labs ready for use are virtual astrophysics, molecular interactions, advanced analytical chemistry, virtual lab, solid state physics lab, electric and magnetism, optics virtual lab, Mechanics Virtual Lab, Virtual English and Communication, Virtual Anthropology Lab, Advanced Mechanics, Laser Optics, Heat and Thermodynamic, Modern Physics, Harmonics, Motions and Waves Lab. These are the labs ready for use in physics department and physical science. Next one is chemical science. Chemical science labs ready for use are ultra fast laser spectroscopy, virtual lab, quantum chemistry, organic chemistry, molecular spectroscopy, colloid surface chemistry lab, molecular observation lab, circular spectroscopy lab, physics chemistry, physical chemistry, Amrita lab, and inorganic chemistry virtual lab. These are the labs available in chemical science. So we have covered all the departments and all the labs of virtual lab. So in this way you can find your respective labs in your respective department. So this is all about how we can check our lab in virtual lab. I tried my best to explore you about virtual lab. If you like video content, subscribe my channel. I will provide you more technical videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.